Ugh, man. I'm so bored. Yeah. Ah! What are you? Be very, very quiet. Hey, where are you going? What are you doing here? Sleeping? No, you're not. I'm not? No, just go away. Yeah. Hey, I'm in a parallel universe. Ah! No, you're not. You are not in a parallel universe. You were never in a parallel universe. You're in Earth. You are on Earth right now. What's Earth? This is Earth. You're on planet Earth. You're not in some kind of weird parallel universe. Do I know you? Yes, you do. Because since I'm in another parallel universe. Goodbye. Josh, are you right? I was in a parallel universe. No, you weren't. You were on Earth. No, you weren't. And just to prove it, I'm going to go and try it for myself. Okay. Parallel universe? No way. He's crazy. It's just like, we're in a parallel universe. Okay, at least I'm. Where did you get here? Hey, we're on Earth. No, you retard. Get back in there. Hey, we're in a parallel universe. There we go. Called Venus. No. Venus is a planet. That's a planet. Planets are places we live on. We live on planet Earth, not Venus. And a parallel universe is not called Venus. Where are all the planets? They're in the solar system. What are they called? They're called planets. What are the planets? Oh, you mean the names? Alright, you have Mercury, Venus, Earth is the place we live on, but not now because we're in a parallel universe. And then there's Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Those are planets. Those are all foods. Ah! Look. Venus is not a parallel universe. Earth. What's a parallel universe? Ah! Get to the chopper. Okay. Pay attention clearly. Oh, okay. Venus is not a parallel universe. Planets are not food. Earth is not a parallel universe, and a parallel universe is not Earth! What's Earth? I wonder where he went.